Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your portfolio with eToro, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your portfolio with eToro, start by logging into your eToro account. Navigate to the portfolio section on the main dashboard. Review your current investments to assess your asset allocation. Determine which assets need additional security measures. Enable two-factor authentication for added account protection. Go to the Settings menu and select Security. Follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using your preferred method. Consider diversifying your investments to minimize risk. Research various asset classes such as stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Allocate a percentage of your portfolio to safer, stable assets. Set stop-loss orders to automatically protect against significant losses. Access the trade settings and select the asset you want to protect. Input your desired stop-loss percentage or dollar amount. Regularly monitor your investments to stay informed of market trends. Adjust your portfolio as needed based on performance and market conditions. Stay educated on how market changes impact your investments. Review your risk tolerance periodically to ensure alignment with your strategy. Utilize eToro's educational resources to enhance your trading knowledge. Engage with the eToro community to learn from other investors' experiences. Remember to keep your personal information secure and updated. Finally, ensure you regularly back up any important information related to your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.